Okay, FM. Okay. 101.7.
Dr. Abuaji Da Costa, Director of Health Promotions, Ghana Health Service. Oh, Memo Wachi.
Yeah, I'm also my power state was videos na mun share Ghana for you now. Mamu nyina good morning.
Yen na ese jo so na boko pa de.
Okay, FM.
Adom. Ebuso.
Enano mode eja said the COVID-19 ye bo ho bra. Mode hu nsem nyina e baba be gudwa. Na niema wodo se wutimu bia mayen ansa ne atwa nkomo no so a ede be ne de ben ene yebetimi aka afa COVID-19 ho so far.
Inia medase. Nia me pesa me kan se mesre Ghana for nyina ese aban control measures now de agu akwan mu no. To say yes you obia nse max no. Uma efani agro. Obia Ghana ni bia ense nose mask ehu hia pa uma efani agro kra because yare no you see the transmission from person to person through droplets it is a wo kasa de bi free wonum ba so wo yare ni bia wo de be ma obi
okay fam okay 1
so wo snizia de bi free wonum ba wo de be ma obi so wo bo wa de bi free wonum ba wo de be ma obi enti ye pese ye break transmission ne bia yes ye make sure say obia ye den as a nose mask. Now we will be so kasa men konko gina nipa nanim to about 2 meters 6 foot and 2 steps. Yes, men shall be some men share men hagi enya fe na obe hagi nko for. Yes, hokro wonsa and pencil as frequently with soap and the running water. Minia say yetimi distance say we say so a ebeboa ye aban bone homodin bia
okay fam okay 1
say yatutu borders mo because ye nim say yare no efi ama no ne bai ezi yatutu borders mo ye mama fo tena fie kakra ema ye suma ye contact tracing team for ema omo ko monten efie mu ekochesi nkofo bebre yetunya ye sa adwuma we mu nyina now akasa Ghana for beboa yen na nia ye de agu akwan mu no obia be di so etimesre Ghana for so yare no yebetumi atu ase afi kroyi mu anase yebetumi ama no akofom ye broni friend say yebetumi a limited spread na this a Ghana for boyen na nose mask no almost say na social distance no almost diso na so o bakom na onim so mama ye bibia hu hia bia na fie Imia, enu na beboa o my Ghana. Inti ubusa mi a, me da wase.
Papa na de te ye ba kon so ne se ye se yare no adokota fo nim de mu adru ni peak. Inti adru ni peak ne de na ebe frase ama esane. Na by that interpretation no, sa adokota fo mo kire bibi sa se okay adru ni peak. Na fe na ebe sane da enchemu ni sei any per de a number of cases aye hu ebi o wa mo se eye asymptomatic no ne ade na se bi okro na e mild symptoms no ne ade ene wo ma yetutu mu fie no ne ade e ti sei
Inia me da say your public health modelings. Now out of this public health modelings no so we share with data because Ghana Health is yepen your data no then your data your raw data. Na wo sem krofo kasa anyway wo akuta evidence no kasa na bi mo kasa bi omope ye na your data no na the way website nye nyina na wo your website because what you do is say you bring the outcome of what you have done on your website. To raw data no, ye de kutai. It is the nan ko 4 year bebrebe anyway no. Ebi omo nim di omo ka. But sa data no. Ye de ma nkofo bebre, ye de scientists e good them. Let's say 3 different scientists. Let's say the more omo. Let's say ka say omo plot the ya plot na. You can make different meanings of it. But mamin tumebo, mamin trechomu. Now, in outbreaks, any epidemics, Sakev na no bet me upload it with your death rate in Kofu Aeden Ewu. Uchi.
Meet your paddock.
You bet me upload it with Nkofu Aeden Omu. You bet me upload it with Nkofu the project is on surviving. Now, we bet me plot with the friend non-cumulative results. Like I said, every 3 days, every 1 day, no plot, every day, no plot, 3 days, no plot, 1 week, no plot. Now, so could use cumulative plotting now because cumulative, you figure 3,000 and above. And I'm a every day in Kofu Benyadi. That one, Yareno, Abba, Ebetna. And every day, so nipa ba kokra le benya ebe add to the number. But when you start yehwe say every day no, nkofo say na eden enya positive. In 3 days time, nkofo say na eden enya positive out of test now why no. And I say out of the population no. Because normally we use to sample population. And to say what is that here? Yen ni say data ye de kofa sample no. Data de kofa sample no. Ye ko ye chi. Em ye ko share because data de fa sample no so ye test it test that time no na nya yare no. Ana me boa.
Aye.
Aha. Et ye de plot graph no. Em ye hu say around 25th 27th no. Na ye cost na ye peak no e wo ho. But from that time no Ose number omunya positive na decrease back from enti ye betimi aka say ye curve no back from but and also interest say we are out of the hook because early days yet so what I say early days yet now ose yankofo a omu wu a near 11 in a jump kakra 17 in a bar 18 no and that's why they stabilize it and I'm a boy that's the second indicator to show you say maybe the AC now let's say a number of recoveries now and also the air coastal it's the same in some way in our between the upload curve no who the air core now and then to the drew some pempenso way. You drew pempenso way because I buy and to say or the good crime no. And now or yeah no. Abua Senka or man penny and two borders no more. In Kaoma ya do go hotel na the Bruni fan is a mandatory quarantine and nipa 1,030 no emu over 100 in year no. Mini anka sembe na besi okromu ha. Kayari and Kopo be because so you see modeling no na also nipa 105 in a enya now the multiplier meaning a day be enti abansi say ya or the book kwam say there be yan two borders lemu obi obeba bia yan fa into hotel no meaning amoa extra decisive leadership
Ayi dokwe nipa bi so raise issues be say one March ni mu na yare ne wo ha ye kare se 6 March kura no ye nyina ye kokumase ema nipa ko bohia honom ne ade enu achi ansa na lockdown no kura so eba in a week's time lockdown no ba wie ye no ye bie you know de wo free ekokofo dua ekoi de ofikofo dua ekokumase koi obi ye nyina ya kwa enti no obi kura de obi ti se ye wurase edu nkete ase sabre na he lockdown no before see baby na say ke test ni pe wo mu nyina enti
I said you get to a scientist
there be a teacher asa a banker na a politician
Mama
Okay.
Churchill,
Mate.
and I told me Bonama Churchill.
Mate.
You see, Intinia say, no, bien, but politics, any day, and Bassadia women. Yes, science for me, and politics was on your winning.
Point 7.
Because data, no, in fact, yeah, and cry, yeah, and your man, yeah, the copy be a friend of peer review. And I'm a boy. So, who say scientists and I say, Obio or academia, extra on the paper anyway, or the copy peer review, yeah, see a broth was it. So, what I say,
Meet you, pa.
hello,
Dog no meet you.
yeah, see a broth was it. It is also a say, so read the politics into it, why a mistake. Now,
But okay.
What was that question?
Okay.
I'm trying.
Mate,
Mama said, "O say, yare ne wo kromo ase sa 6 March ne ho nkot be betechiro mu."
Okay.
Minia. Time o mampani eto borders ne mu no. It was around 21st Hobby. Anameboa.
No correct. I 21st.
As a Monday no I then for to hotel no.
1 0.
A week after, in your who sent for then in positive. If you who sent for positive no. Yeah, and say, Omo to come by no. You catch the 2 man penny for say. Young say, you bet me up quietly from the 3rd of March. Eba sa ababesi 28th of March. Omo nya bi no. Na omo a ye suspect yen ko hwehwe sankofo no ne enya den yen test omo. But yare no the incubation period ye 2 to 14 days. Utie. The incubation period ye say 2 to 14 days. It is also from March to say 3rd March. Let's also sankofo na ayewe ya che say ensa wo de sa 14 no e ka 3 ne ho. Wo de ka ho e be 17.
17.
Because will be next and now next one show signs and symptoms are exercise area and I will be because Yariano 2 to 14 days in a incubation period. It is an bar on the 3rd of March. Let's say by 14 days time on show symptoms are a cop. It is and say the 3 eka 14 home and you start from the 17th. In any immigration for year Juma. So we are to quine that's all bar from the 17th upwards. Busano say upon before and contacting now. Ya contacting no agent for me any friend of enhanced contact tracing now. Yeah, and engineer ma or man say onto Ghana muno. Onto like greater Accra any greater Kumasi. That's uncle for me any day. You put chase you or contacts. Any immigration for year Juma. Ye will be details ewo ho. You know kase o mampani kase yan konkon hwe nipa 10,000. Ye koye no. By the time o mampani e bie krona tumu no. We enya nipa 88,000. O ma come into contact with o mo tu kwan from the 17th eba esro no. E na o man kasa. Enti Minia asam na nkofo e ka no. Ni nyina so no say. Because the American, yen your data, and ye African crop bebre in a demand so ye be no, you see control, ye the control measures I the Ebwa Quam. If ye be a Utimi Quajuma, Utimi ye say, but ye no, ye bufua ye Juma. You know, Cassa contact tracing no, and that's so air coso. And you see a jay. Anya, ye. Na ye so. Because you didn't say relax here. You are really betting then spread it. And you go so, yeah, pa, and to so been tears here. And so Busa science for Nintina, or Mampeni car say. Mama, or more science of one, and I met some studios, Namunya day.
Okay,
Almost such a new money moon semo.
Yeah.
Then you say, more politicians, I day, I bet now almost at your website. Mani ya omuntia se and omoye de omoka. Sometimes I are because ye juma no. You kuya ho. You kuya ho pa day night every time.
As a politicians and also like Emrasha Jaffono, almost what doctors who move. Ain't enura say enura NDC minority omo ye enhyiemu na ba ko bi a omo de tu dwa ma menkenkan ho na yenhwe e bia se nkyiremu kakra beba o say according to the NDC MPs, the attempt to downplay the facts on the virus is unacceptable, and other that Ghanaians are expected the professionals entrusted with the responsibility for managing the crisis to be forthright and refrain from interpreting data that is not grounded in the science of the pandemic.
Okay, FM.
Now, I was saying, here I refer to a recent statement by a member of the National Response Team that we have peaked in terms of the number of infected persons. He noted that it appears to be part of a strategy to create an atmosphere of normalcy in the lead to the next presidential broadcast. And as for the reason, your guess is as good as mine. Look, what do you say?
Yeah, because omo kasa no omo data way. They say data no, the raw data no. Why mo na wo mo ho?
Mo na wo mo ho.
Medical church room. Can say the NTI ye call ye gidi say ye drew ye peak na eba for menwa director general or church musu bebre. So to say nya omo kano. They say they make kano. So we need raw data na. Obe there na why we can say what make claims now we make no. We don't have it. Yani ye raw data no. It is na o kano. We not so anything. Now into that make us say oh mama miemfa policy. Yes, it can be said they have doctors in and all doctors, but if you we expose you to the raw data, so they say, and I'll be who near Koso. Man, yeah, Koso no. Yeah, okay, a death rate at the same.
Our form.
And see, as I'm now, Minya na or Kahono, Dr. Bedusa Kwadia Kayano, waiting. Mature say. Yeah, your friend is saying, Utimi a plotted with the death rate. Death rate, yeah, can Ghana has say, it's saying a 0.5 and a 0.8. So say, a Libiki Twedi, and a massacre say, Impokra, Osha, Omukra, a bayano. Eh, dear, in Komuban, Tamwa, in Komu. So I say,
Matthias, pa
18. Menoka say, 18. From last week, I say, I 18, 80 curve no, I flatten another flatten here.
Not flatten. With the increase of number of cases, I walk now. Rest away. No, say be a incrementer, a cost and the number of cases. And a different. You have
to answer what here because who use cumulative number. Okay. Every day, Mr. Yarena, about every day in Kokobeding, Ebenya Yareni. It is a nipper back, Ebenya, or Baba can't 3,000, and Hoba can't 3,000 no bedding. Ever Costro, and I'm bois. Yes, 3,000, the one come where saying
3,001.
Yes, and Costro.
A Costro.
Aha. But within the day, no, any persona, Umezan within the day. So, share first, no, Nanke Nipper be brain in your positive, and then. Yeah, positive no within the day no measure a buffer. No measure within 3 days a buffer. You measure it within the population sample now we with Emma form.
Yeah.
It's the answer Utias yet. So you should be a non-cumulative way a cancer sample and Abibisa. Because you should cumulative one the end year every day but you have to look at it from the number of people are omunya per day, no, Sakosra and Asa Bafom. Number of people omunya per 3 days, no, Akosra and Asa Bafom. Number of people omunya per week, no, Akosra and Abafom. So I say, and not only raw data, now ultimately yet. It's only raw data, no. And 3 days, almost can be there, omunya dream. But I mean, obviously, me person may politics because me technical work. But yeah, na area for say, we Jumasa na obi a on tiasie. On tiasie, the all canning in out news on tiasie, or tiasie on could not TV so and can the all cano. So tiasie, on tiasie. In a match room.
Okay, now dog, what do you mean? You crack. Mama for a bomodna say, you be ye, and you're droning me at the idea. deɛ akɔ so Madagascar me hu sɛ World Health Organization abɛkasa fa hu sɛ wɔn mo approve yi nom ne adeade ebinom si da bi so obi atumi anum saa abibiduro ne concussion ma kan bɔ mu yi na akɔde a why don't we also encourage ourselves over here sɛ bibi saa nneɛma ahodoɔ bi a nipa bi atest bi no na ano nkora de mete yɛsɛ yɛ akakaduro yi a na wodi wei so afra na wodi afra so far no yɛde ani ahwɛ hɔ
Inia me da se me no kasa me nim sɛ mampɔn scientific committee no plant scientific community no almost so yen hwehwɛmu nti ani omo eguso a yɛdi nsa wɔ so se bibi sa ba yɛbɛ mama so ate but yɛtie ne sɛ yɛ friend is saying in general terms no ɛyɛ ɛsɛ nipa deɛ ɔwɔ hɔ a aduane a wodie wo vitamins ne ho nkɔneaba no ɛboa ɛno kɔ ma ɔtumi nyine yie nti ɛna yɛ general advice a me de bɛma
Gwani medasa no pepa.
Yenia se ba menia.
Miss Medasi. Bye bye.
Bye.
Dr. Abuaji da Costa, Director of Health Promotions at the Ghana Health Service. Na only any that did in common na
Okay FM 101.7.